Have you ever wondered why you can know someone for years and still feel like complete strangers? While a random conversation with a person on a train can make you feel deeply connected in just a few hours. A psychological study conducted in the late 90s actually solved this mystery. A researcher named Arthur Aron ran a fascinating test at Stony Brook University. Ever since that study was published, the mainstream self-improvement industry has been missing the entire point of his findings. I discovered the real truth through a personal experience with someone in my own life. Her name was Ola. We shared the same social circle and we saw each other constantly. We attended all the same gatherings, birthday dinners, and weekend cookouts. Every single time we interacted, we followed the exact same boring script. We would politely ask how things were going. We would complain about our busy schedules. We would talk about how crazy work has been lately. We repeated this loop for 2 entire years. If you added up all those interactions, it was just dozens of hours of empty chatter confirming nothing of value. Then everything changed during one specific evening. A social gathering ended a bit early. Ola and I were the only ones left outside on the patio. Out of nowhere, she looked directly at me and asked a highly unusual question. She wanted to know if I actually liked going to these social events or if I spent my time secretly planning a way to escape. My internal alarms immediately went off. The truthful answer was definitely the second option. I decided to drop the polite act, and I told her the absolute truth. We ended up talking in that exact spot for the next 3 hours straight. That single, unguarded conversation achieved a level of bonding that 2 years of shallow talk never even approached. For the longest time, I thought that night was just a rare stroke of luck. I assumed it was just the perfect mood and the perfect setting. Then I discovered that Arthur Aron had intentionally recreated that exact scenario in his laboratory. He took people who had never met before. He gave them a specific list of 36 questions and set a timer for 45 minutes. You might have seen articles about this online. The media hyped it up as a magical formula to make anyone fall in love. Companies started selling conversation cards and dating apps based on these prompts. But viewing it as a magic spell is entirely incorrect. The specific questions he chose were never the actual secret. The true magic was hidden in the specific sequence. The first question is extremely safe. The final questions are deeply personal. This list is not a standard personality quiz. It functions exactly like a staircase. Every single question requires you to take a slightly bigger social risk than the previous one. It watches to see if your conversation partner is willing to step up with you. The questions were divided into 3 distinct phases. The first phase asks simple things like if you want to be famous. It is basically standard interview material. The second phase digs a bit deeper into your treasured memories and your unfulfilled dreams. The third phase completely drops all the walls. It asks when you last cried or requires you to reveal your deepest insecurities. The most important detail that everyone forgets is that the researcher also had a control group. This group also talked for 45 minutes, but they only used basic small talk prompts. They discussed high school memories and their favorite local restaurants. The final results were absolutely shocking. The small talk group felt nothing special toward each other. The escalation group reported feeling closer to their random partner than to the average person in their established social life. This proves that simply spending time talking is not the variable that builds connection. The real variable is the level of social risk you are willing to take. When you tell someone about your worst fears, you are handing them leverage. They could mock you or share your secret with everyone else. Every deep answer is a psychological gamble. Researchers refer to this dynamic as social penetration theory. Human beings are structured exactly like onions. The outermost layer is simply public information, like your job title. Deeper down are your actual opinions and fears. You can only reach the core if someone willingly peels back their own layers, and they will only do that if they feel a sense of mutual risk. When you share a deep thought and the other person responds with a shallow comment, the connection immediately resets to 0. But when they match your depth, the ceiling for trust gets pushed higher. You can apply this exact mechanism to any interaction by understanding the 4 floors of conversation. Floor 1 consists of basic facts. This is the lobby where everyone starts. Floor 2 introduces opinions and personal preferences. You ask them if they actually enjoy their career, instead of just asking what they do for a living. Floor 3 dives into experiences and emotions. You take a topic they already mentioned and ask how it truly made them feel. Floor 4 is complete honesty about your darkest doubts and fears. You only reach this final level because the previous floors successfully built a foundation of trust. Taking that step to a deeper floor can feel incredibly intimidating, but there is a simple psychological trick that makes it remarkably easy. Just say the phrase, "Can I ask you something honest?" Asking this before you drop a heavy question works miracles. It transforms an aggressive interrogation into a polite invitation. It gets the other person to verbally commit to being open before they even hear the question. Their curiosity spikes, and they instinctively lean in. It is crucial that you also share your own vulnerabilities. You cannot just interrogate people like a podcast host. You must volunteer your own deep truths without being prompted. Sustained, escalating, and reciprocal disclosure is the ultimate psychological formula. 2 years of empty greetings can be solved with a single moment of genuine social risk. Stop waiting for deep connections to happen by accident and start intentionally climbing the staircase today.